How to continuously load and print multiple sheets with different dimensions on the HP Cytex Flatbed 550 and 750 printers. Load several sheets with different dimensions. In this case, we are loading foam board. Next, prepare the built-in media alignment pins. To avoid media advance issues or parts damage, such as the belt or alignment pin, the pins should not touch the belt. Align the left side of each sheet with one of the pins, leaving a small space from the right edge of the sheet to the next pin to allow for sheet dimension variations. Align all the sheets to the alignment bar and built-in media alignment pins. Press sheet ready. The printer automatically loads the media and measures the media thickness. Select End-Up Sheet Feed, different dimensions. Enter the longest sheet length, either manually or by selecting the correct option. The length we are using is not a standard length, so we will type it in manually. The printer automatically measures media sheet widths. Enter sheet lengths, sheet by sheet. The front panel displays a message that the media has been successfully loaded into the printer. Confirm that Auto Eject is set to output side. Print several groups of multi-image in end-up sheets with different dimensions. Select Jobs, then select Print Multi-Image In-Up. Select the different jobs for each sheet. Jobs that have been previously ripped are in the printer's Stored Jobs list with a determined print mode. Print and select the number of groups. This means the numbers of rows to print. Print the first group. When the longest sheet passes over the alignment bar, the input side fans row is deactivated. The alignment bar drops down, and the front panel enables a bottom of sheet ready. Now, the operator can start loading the next group of sheets to the alignment bar and pins. Productivity depends on how quickly the next group of sheets loads. Load media and press sheet ready. After you press sheet ready, the printer will raise the alignment bar, activate the input fans, and move the media on the belt. Once the previous group is finished, the belt moves the media to the printing position and starts printing the next group. Previous sheets will automatically begin unloading. Repeat these steps as many times as needed until all of your groups of sheets are printed.